A prophet swallowed by the depths of the ocean, darkness upon darkness in sight. This is the story of Yunus alayhi salam, the man of the whale. Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam was sent to guide the people of Nineveh. He called them to worship Allah alone, but they turned away. His story is preserved in the Quran as a powerful lesson of patience and repentance. Yunus alayhi salam invites them again and again, but their hearts remain closed. They mock the warning of punishment. In deep sorrow, Yunus alayhi salam left his people before Allah commanded him to leave. He boarded a ship sailing into the vast ocean. Suddenly the sea turned violent. The people cast lost, and Yunus alayhi salam was chosen to be thrown overboard.
It is the will of the Almighty.
A great fish swallowed him by the command of Allah. Inside the darkness, he realized his mistake. He called out with sincerity, La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. In the depths of darkness, Allah heard his dua. Allah commanded the fish to realize him. Weak and exhausted, Yunus alayhi salam was cast onto the shore. Allah restored his strength and mercy surrounded him. When Yunus alayhi salam returned, his people had changed. They believed and Allah removed his punishment from them. The story of Yunus alayhi salam teaches the power of sincere repentance. No matter how deep the darkness, Allah's mercy is greater. Turn back to Allah and He will always respond.